Hello CMA students, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, share, subscribe. Today class number 1 of the cost accounting paper at CMA Inter Group 1. So introduction to cost accounting, that is study note number 1. The study note include definition, scope and objectives and significance of cost accounting, its relationship with financial accounting and management accounting, cost objects and cost centers and cost units, that is elements of cost. Classification of cost and role of cost accountants in an organization. So definitions of cost of scope and significance and relationship with financial accounting and cost accounting. So this is the first class. So if new to channel, please like, share, subscribe. So there is a evaluation in missing here. In examination, there is a what are the evaluation of cost accounting is given in the question. So whenever the evaluation of question is given, we write this first paragraph from way back to 15th century to after World War I. That is the evaluation of cost accounting. So remember it. Whenever the what is the evaluation of cost accounting is given the question, we write the way back 15th century. No accounting system was there, and it was the barter system was prevailed. It was the last years of 15th century. Loco Pasoli, an Italian, found out the double entry system of accounting in the year 1494. Later, it was developed in England and all over the world up to 20th century. During these 400 years, the purpose of cost accounting needs or as a served as a small branch of a financial accounting, except few royal wallpaper factory like France and 17th century and some iron masters in quarters and 18th century. The period 1880s and AD 1925 saw the development of complex product designs and emergence of multi-activity diversified corporations like DuPont and General Motors. It was during the period that scientific management was developed, which led the accountants to convert into physical standards to cost standards. So latter being used in the variance analysis and control. During the World War I and II, the social importance of cost accounting grew and growth of each and defense countries' defense expenditure. In the absence of cost account, in the absence of competitive markets for material required for war, the governments needs to several countries place the cost plus contract under which the price to be paid for cost of productions and agreed to be profit, agreed the rate of profit. The reliance on cost estimation by the parties to defense contracts continued after World War I. This is the evolution of cost accounting. In 15th century, no accounting system, but the barter system was existence. And 15th century, in the last years of 15th century, Luca Pasoli, an Italian, found double entry system in 1494, and later it was developed in all over the world. England is the first country to make a cost accounting is very important. That's why we study the schema. During these 400 years, the purpose of cost accounting served a small bank. So cost accounting is served as a small branch in financial accounting. Some of the royal wallpaper and manufacturing 17th century and some of the iron masters and potters in 18th century. The period of 1818 and 1925 saw the development of some complex products and designs and emergence of multi-activity diversified corporations and DuPonts and General Motors. Etc. It was during this period that scientific management was developed, which led the accountants to convert physical standards into cost centers. Latter being used for variance analysis and control. During the World War I and II, the social importance and cost accounting grew with the growth and needs of defense expenditure and absence of competitive material required the World War material required for war. So the governments decided to make the cost plus contract to control the cost plus contracts, which lets the price of the paid of the cost of production plus an agreed rate of profit. The reliance cost estimation by the parties for defense contracts continued after World War II. So after continued World War I. So this is the evolution of cost accounting. Whenever what is the evolution of cost accounting given in the, we write this paragraph, 2-3 paragraph. That's it. We score marks. So where 15th century the no accounting system was there, then there was a barter system prevailed. It was in the last years of 15th century. Luca Pasoli, An Italian found the double-ended system of century that is later developed by the England and all over the world. Some of the iron masters, except some of the iron masters and potters in 18th century. In 17th century, royal wallpaper manufactured in France, and in 1880 and 1925 saw the development of the complex product designs and emergence of multi-activity diversified corporations like DuPont and General Motors, etc. It was this period of scientific method development which is later accounted converted into physical standards and later being used for the variance analysis and so control. So it was during the World War I and II the importance of social importance of cost accounting grew with the growth of each country's defense expenditure in the absence of the competitive markets for the most of the material required for war. So the governments in several countries placed cost plus contracts under which the price of to be paid the cost of production plus agreed rate of profit. The Reliance cost estimation by the parties to defense contracts continued after World War One. World War Two. So World War Two. So next question is, what is the factors required for maintaining the surveyed? What are the factors of new techniques to given the surveyed as an industry? So write this paragraph. So limitations placed in financial accounting. So limitations placed in financial accounting improved the cost consciousness and rapid industrial development and after industrial development and industrial after industrial revolutions and world wars. Growing competition among the manufacturers, to control galloping price rise, the cost of computed price of cost of products and services, to control the cost of several legislations passed throughout the World War and to India to essentially commodities as industrial development and regulations act, etc. So due to the above factor, the cost accounting has emerged as specialized discipline for the initial years of 20th century after World War I and II. So this is the factors whenever given. Write this for six limitations. First one is limitations placed in financial accounting improve the cost consciousness and rapid industrial development and after industrial revolutions and world wars, and growing the competitions among the manufacturing to control the galloping price, the cost of competitive price of cost of products and services, to control the cost of several legislation passed through India and through essentially commodities as an industrial development regulations act, etc. So this is the evaluation of cost and factors of the cost accounting. So if you like it, please subscribe to channel for more updates. So that's all for this video. So we will see you live. Now stay tuned for stay subscribe. So we discussed this so far evaluation and factors given by the Institute of Cost Accountants of India. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. We discuss the definitions of big